Good morning or good afternoon, good evening to those of y'all who are watching right now. Welcome or welcome back to Real Life Gardening. Alright, so y'all, it is cold. It is like 10 degrees outside. I cannot do it. I just dropped my son off at the bus. So, you know what we finna do today? We're starting to winter sow our flowers. We got at least, I'm about to say roughly 60 days until our last frost date hits, which is supposed to be like March 30th or something like that. In between there, we got like 225 days of growing season. So, yeah. Let me update y'all on what we got so far here. We have stuff growing in there, if y'all can see. Everything is looking good. Everything is looking great. Grand. So we have that stuff. I don't want to take it off right now. And then we have stuff over here that is sprouting, y'all. My experiments is sprouting. Except for those. Those aren't experiments. So we have Hungarian yellow wax peppers that have germinated. We have a pomegranate seed that's coming up right there, if y'all can see that. Hey! And we have moringa here. One of them had died off, and then the other one is there. And then these haven't germinated yet, so we're going to keep an eye on that. My onions, bam! Look at those. We got the white globe bulbing onion, and we got the Utah Spanish sweet yellow Spanish onions that are sprouting, y'all. So yeah, we got seeding. We got germination. We got plants that are trying to grow and become my little baby seedlings. Okay, so today, what are we growing? Today we are growing flowers to winter sow. I have water running. So yeah, if y'all want to see how I winter sow my flowers and where I'm going to put them, how I'm going to put them, then stay tuned. Okay, so let me fix this right quick. Y'all are gonna see me in this jacket. Like I said, it is cold. So right now I have my soil. It is moist and it is ready for planting. Right now what I'm doing is I am writing all my labels down so I can put them in their designated spots so we can get to sowing. So let me get back to that and I'll come back when it's time to sow the seeds. Okay, so quickly, I'm going to go over the flowers with you guys. So we have the Swiss Giant Mixed Colors Pansies. And we have the Snapdragon White Snowflake. We have the Snapdragon Rose. We have Zinnia Envy. Alyssum Carpet of Snow. Mixed Color Bachelor Buttons. Straw Flower Copper Red. Columbine Giant McKenna Mix. I cannot talk this morning, y'all. And lastly, we have Celosia Pampas Plume. So yes, those are the seeds that we are going to be germinating today, you guys. I'm so excited. I can't not germinate. Winter sowing today, and then later on we will be planting more of them out. So yeah, let's get to planting. I'm just gonna fast forward and seed them. You can watch that montage, and then I'll be back to show you guys where I'll be putting them outside. So let's go. All right, you guys, so I just finished sewing the flowers down. Where did I put them? Oh, I almost lost my flowers, y'all. So this is what it looks like right now. Nice and sewn in the depth they're supposed to be sewn in. They are watered in. So what I am going to do is I'm going to put this top on it right here to keep the moisture, and I'm going to leave these holes in for drainage. There's holes on the bottom, y'all, so don't worry about that. And then we're going to plant it outside. All right, you guys, and just like that, we are done with winter sowing flowers. We winter sowed herbs, and we also got started on our spring garden over here with broccoli and cabbage and peppers and collards, pak choy. I have some moringa growing. I have some okra. Tomatoes are growing. And that is it. But y'all, I do have a question. Let me show y'all real quick. Maybe y'all can help me with this for anybody who's ever grown moringa trees before. Okay, so I'm having an issue. Well, I don't know if it's an issue or if this is just something that it does. Y'all hear little noises? That is my son. Let me back up. Okay, so my moringa, right? I planted it. I planted 3 of them. 3 of them grew. 1 of them had died off. So I'm looking at these right here. Are these guys looking okay to you? The leaves are not opening or nothing. They just seem like they're stuck. Like, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it just looks like the flowers itself is stuck. This one looks like it's gonna die. Yeah, it's too limp. This one is gonna die. You're not gonna make it. I'ma hold on, hold on. Hold on, leaf, hold on. But yeah, so looks like another one is dying off. I don't know, but yeah. As I said, the okra has sprouted. One of the pomegranate seeds is sprouted. And 2 of my Hungarian wax bell peppers are sprouted. And a white cherry tomato has some green coming up. I see you. So yeah, about my moringa plant, please let me know what I can do, if I should repot it and put it in another pot if it's too late, or should I just start over and do another seeding for the moringa. Let me know down below in the comment sections. But yeah, you guys, thank you guys for watching my video. I really do appreciate it very, very much. It means a lot to me. Please make sure you comment down below how you like the video, what videos you would like to see from me in the future. And without further ado, this is the end of the video. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to tap that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. So let's grow together. Let's learn together. 2025, all about health, success, and happiness. See you guys later. Bye, growers.